Yo guys, how to get the bug egg in Grow a Garden. In today's video I'll be telling you how to get yourself a bug egg. The bug egg will hatch a bug. So inside of the bug egg you can get a stickman bug. You can get a bug on your farm. It's pretty much an animal. It's like an animal bug hybrid. And this bug will crazy increase your mutations on your farm. So this is pretty much one of the best eggs that you can actually get in Grow a Garden from animals. And my panda just ate a bamboo and I got cash. So this panda is eating bamboo off my farm and he's pretty much selling it to me for 1.5x value, which is kinda insane. Alright boys, if you do want to get yourself a pepper seed, be sure to comment down below pepper for a free pepper seed, because I'll be gifting one pepper seed into this video. But if you want to get the bug egg, you talk to this salesman right here and you can see that there is a bug egg and there's a 3% chance that it will go to the shop. And this is the bug egg. Look at it, it's insane. And from this bug egg you will get a insane bug pet. So usually you get the common egg, which is 99% of the shops. How does that even work? 99%, that's 1 in 100. Like, alright, I hope we get the bug egg soon on stock. You can also get the bug egg by refreshing the eggs, which is gonna cost you Robux. And that's pretty much how you can get yourself the new bug egg in Grow a Garden, which will hatch yourself a bug pet, which will actually mutate your plants and also increase growth speed, which is very good to have. Like the video right now and subscribe for more.